That's not perfect. That's the schematic I use for my biological electrification and plant growth stimulation device. Uses an LM358 integrated circuit chip. It's basically a pretty easy setup. I'm just going to go over with mine today. Show you how it works. In the middle here we got the LM358. Okay, this circuit's pretty easy. From pin 1, we will go out and we will connect to our, this will be our first electrode right here. This guy right here is going to be our first electrode. And so we just go out of pin 1, we connect over to our first electrode, and then we connect to a 150k ohm resistor, and that resistor connects to our a little ways out on our 3 line out here on our pin 3, and we'll connect out so that we can connect one in front of that. And then so now we're at pin 3. Coming out of pin 3, well, let's go to pin 2. We'll connect pin 2. We'll go over to pin 2, goes over to our 2.4 million ohm resistor, which is this guy right here. This is our 2.4 million ohm resistor, and that connects back into pin 6 over here. So this is pin 6. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So down and then up, and then so this connects back over to pin 6. Pin 3 is just basically we come out of pin 3, and our first wire takes us straight from pin 3 over to pin 5, and that's all it's connected to pin 5. And then pin 3 comes out, and it also goes this to our 50k resistor, and then back into our 50k resistor, and then back into pin 1. It also goes out. Pin 3 keeps going, and here we have it connected to our two 100k ohm resistors. One is connected to the ground, one is over here connected to the positive, and then I have it sitting right in the middle of that. So that's pin 3. Pin 4, let's see. Pin 4 comes out and is connected to the ground. Let's see, where's my little jumper here? Pin 4 needs to come out. And get connected to the ground. Then pin 5, as we already discussed, pin 5 just comes out and goes directly to pin 3, which was already taken care of. Pin 6. Now pin 6 will come out. Actually, at first we have it. Pin 6 goes to our 2.4 million ohm resistor, which loops right back over to pin 2, like we just talked. Yep, it's pin 2, and then also out of pin 6 comes up and goes to pins 1. So we have to connect this to pin 1, pin 6, okay, has been connected back to pin 1. Okay. And then Electric, okay. And then pin 7, which will be the next one, pin 7 comes out and goes to the potentiometer. So pin 7 is right here. It comes out this blue wire, goes into our potentiometer, then comes out of our potentiometer, goes through an 820 ohm resistor, which I don't think was completely plugged in. 820 ohm resistor, and then this will be one of our other electrode points right here, right there. So pin 8, oh wait, yeah, pin 7 then also comes out after it goes to the potentiometer, continues to go on through these two Zener diodes. Well, the first one is positive this way, then negative here, then positive this way. That connects to our LED. Our LED is positive towards the diodes, so positive is the long end of the diode. We put that in there. This is our 220 microfarad 35 volt capacitor, 22 microfarads. This one's 250 volts because I didn't have a smaller one, so that's what I'm using. The negative side is facing the LED. And then after that, this will be our other electrode point of contact. So there's another electrode. And then pin 8, that's it for pin 7. Now pin 8 just goes directly to the ground. So pin 8 should just come out and go, oh no, up to positive, I mean. Pin 8 goes straight up to positive. And that should be the entire setup. We have another electrode connected right up here off of pin 1 and the 150 K ohm resistor. So that's going to be our third electrode point. Now basically all I have is a pack of 9-volt batteries. I have them connected to these alligator clips. This down here is going to be my negative point of entry, and my other alligator clip is connected right up here, which is my positive point of entry. Ow! Ouch! And as I touch that to my tongue, that bad boy is working. See, now I can touch that to there. And yeah, ouch, that guy is going like crazy. So I'm going to turn it way down because I have it turned way up. And basically, you'd hook your electrodes up just like how you would have for any type of other electrical device. And there you have it. I'm touching that to my tongue on the lowest possible setting to show you that the system is working. And there you have it. There's my biological electrification and plant growth stimulation device.